Hi, my name's Jenny, and I'm doing a packing and review of the Kate Spade Toujours medium satchel. This one I actually got 40% off last week, so I spent probably about $140, $150. But right now they have a Christmas sale going on, and it's 50% off, so you can get it a little bit cheaper right now. These do come in a lot of colors. This color is actually the warm gingerbread, kind of like a tan bag. So this one measures 8 1/4 by 10 1/4 by 4 3/4. It's small pebble green leather, and then faux micro suede lining. Normally, I don't like bags that are just open, like bucket bags, just because I do get scared I could get pickpocketed. But what drew me to this was just the look. And then it does have a middle part with a zipper, and then also one open pocket, but it has a button that you can close. It does come with the shoulder strap, adjustable, rolled handles, definitely very stiff, which I like since this is a smaller bag. In the back, it does have a pocket, goes pretty much all the way down, but it's only this wide. It doesn't go as big as the bag. And then on the bottom are metal feet to protect the bag, Kate Spade logo right there. And then in the front, it does have interlocking spades, which you can actually unlock, so you can free up the resistance in here. But again, you can also lock it, which I think is so cute. The detail is just really cute. And then gold hardware, as you can see, the little details are really good. So as you can see, 3 big compartments. There's one in the front, there's a zipper one in the middle, and then one in the back with a smaller pocket that can lock with this little snap. As you can see, there's a little hardware in there too. Okay, so let me show you how I'll pack it up. Okay, so this is how I have it packed up. So I have my phone case, which is pretty stiff. I have an iPhone XS Max. So obviously I'm using my phone to record, so it's not in the case. So it fits there. And then, so if you see my other videos, I tend to pouch pack. So I have little pouches. So I had a little hard time packing it, but when I undid the little spades, it opened up wider, which I can see why they have this option. So in the front pocket, I do just have a pouch with my snacks. This is a brush and hair tie, and these are both from Jujube. This is the small set piece, and then this is the organized small set piece. And then in the zipper pocket, oh, I forgot my sanitizing wipes, or sanitizing spray. And then in the zipper pocket, I do have my wallet and my makeup. I did have it in a pouch, but it just got full. So for here, it's just the essentials: my powder, my kabuki brush, lip gloss, and hand lotion. And then in the back here, I have a tissue, my pack of tissues, and a Jujube small set piece, and this is my med pouch. And then the pocket here, it fits sanitizing wipes, but it can also fit my wallet. And I can also bend that up so I don't get too paranoid about someone trying to steal it. Or my phone. So I mean, it's a pretty hefty pocket. So it just depends on how you prefer where to put your phone and your wallet. So let me just make this how I had it. Actually, I kind of like where the phone is. And then I can probably put this back here. That's my sanitizing wipes. Even my spray. I could probably go back there. Yeah, I'll leave that spray there. Close this up. So that's how I have it packed, and then remember I told you definitely opens up wider once you unlock the spades. But then when you lock it up, so even just like that, it looks really cute. But if you want more of a polished look, so it does feel more secure. Look, it doesn't even have give when the spades are intertwined or interlocked. It's a cute bag. It's definitely on the smaller side. They do have a large size that could probably fit more. I was hoping this was going to be big enough to fit my 12-inch MacBook Pro, but it won't. But definitely a cute bag. I can definitely see myself using this quite a bit just because it can pack a bit. You just gotta Tetris it a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.